In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and manage an enterprise PMO portfolio in Jira Cloud. If you're leading a PMO, managing a portfolio, or overseeing enterprise delivery, you already know how difficult it can be to keep everything aligned when status updates live in separate spreadsheets, emails, and team trackers. Jira gives you a more centralized way to handle governance, planning, capacity visibility, and risk tracking, all within one cloud-based environment. In this walkthrough, we'll log in, create a portfolio plan, connect the right data sources, structure initiative to epic relationships, map dependencies, build an executive dashboard, and finish with a quick validation review. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to your Atlassian Cloud site, or sign in through the Atlassian login page using your organization's secure access method. Once you're on the main landing page, avoid jumping into individual team boards for now, because the goal is to work from the broader planning layer inside Jira. From the top, navigation, select plans or advanced plans depending on your subscription, and choose Create Plan. Give the plan a clear professional title that reflects the portfolio you're managing, then continue to the next screen. This creates the foundation for a master portfolio view that brings multiple projects together in one place. Next, choose the data sources you want the plan to include. You can pull in project boards, save filters, or team spaces, depending on how your Jira environment is organized. This is where you define the portfolio boundary. So take a moment to make sure you're including the right delivery areas. Once selected, Jira will begin rolling that information into a unified planning view. Now set up the hierarchy so leadership can track strategic work at the right level. In the hierarchy settings, choose Initiative as your top level view. Then create a new initiative with a short, clear title. After that, open the initiative details and link the relevant epics underneath it. This parent-child structure is what makes portfolio reporting much more useful, because it connects strategic goals directly to delivery work. With the hierarchy in place, move to the timeline and map dependencies. Find a milestone or work item, hover until the link handle appears, then drag that connection to the related item in another project. Jira will display the dependency visually, making cross-project blockers much easier to spot during reviews. If you want a faster executive view, go to Dashboards and create a new dashboard. On the empty canvas, add gadgets such as a portfolio plan view, two-dimensional statistics, or a pie chart, then connect them to your PMO filters. This gives stakeholders a live status portal without needing to open detailed roadmaps. Before wrapping up, review the full plan and dashboard carefully. Confirm that initiatives appear correctly, timeline bars are aligned, dependency links are clear, and the overall layout is easy to read. That final validation step helps ensure your governance view is accurate and presentation ready. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.